a thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, south central
I'm going to get quick.
central Oklahoma until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That's not it.
At 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Maysville, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour.
This needs to get set to
50 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This
voice.
is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Falls Valley, Maysville, Howley, Antioch, and Whitebeat.
I don't know why.
Your protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Is this really?
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for
I don't know what's wrong with this thing.
southwestern Greene
Oh,
and northwestern
that's the problem.
counties.
This thing's probably set to that too.
p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Duncan, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 70 miles an hour wind.
There we are. That's a problem.
Is a radar-indicated
Oh, sorry.
threat. Impact-
Once my laptop decides to show.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
That is not it. I believe that was broadcasted
Wind
on...
damage is also likely to mobile homes.
What is that station?
Locations impacted include Duncan,
Walker.
Bray.
KJY95.
Remain alert for
With
possible
this was on KJ195.
tornadoes can develop
So
quickly.
yeah, if when I get other alerts, I will let you know.
Your protection move
Thanks
to
for watching,
an interior room
and
on the lowest
that
floor of the
will
building.
be